In this video, Lee is going to be implementing the contains method in our priority queue.
All right. So let's get started. Here's contains. We're going to basically just do a couple of contain checks. So we'll do if low.contains, and we'll check it against item. If it contains it, return true. Do the same thing for the medium and the high priority list. And let's see, return true. Redundant else keyword. Yeah, I guess it is. Once again, this is what happens when you change code on the fly. There. Wow, a little bit lag on that last one. You were going to say?
No, it's all good.
Well, the other way I did it is a var is contained equals false, and then I set that and then returned that variable at the end. You could do it that way too.
Yeah. Or would there be anything wrong with just saying if low.contains item or medium.contains item or high.contains item, return true?
No, that would be completely and utterly wrong too. So you're just saying if I did that and maybe...
Still got to find that watch one of these days.
I have not found that watch. Because I've found my other watches in my drawer.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know what that watch is. Because it's either a watch that my wife's got in here, or it's a watch that I got so long ago, I forgot what watch it is.
Yeah, that's funny.
But, I mean, I can't find that thing. But if you've seen what my office looks like, it is not that surprising. So, all right, we could do it that way too. But see, that's less code, and we can't like draw out the video and make it look like it was really
not drawing out a video.
complicated.
Oh, look like it's really complicated. Jeez, listen to you.
All right, let's go ahead and test this, because you should never write code that you don't test. You know, I'm just saying, not that I've ever done that. My favorite is when you write code and you test that code, but you actually are testing the wrong code. And you go, yeah, look, it works great. And then find out later that you were testing the wrong thing. That's always fun. All right, so if, well, nah, I'm not even going to do the if. That takes too much typing. Console.writeLine. We're going to print out q dot contains let's go with cruel one and see what happens. Hey, look, it does contain it. Sweet. It works. We're done. Let's call it quits. Let's see what happens if I do something that's not there. And that does not contain that one. So that's good. So apparently that works. Let's break it on purpose. Hey, can't do it that way. Because I didn't maintain my type reference.
Yeah, it's strongly typed.
Which is the whole point of doing that. It's awesome, isn't it? So, and there it is. Good. So contain is there. It works, and we've proved that it even maintains our strongly typed. generic. I think that's pretty much for this one, unless you
Okay.
can think of anything else.
No, yeah, no, it's working. And next video, we're going to get the remove method implemented. So we're really close to being done with the priority queue. So with that, that is going to wrap up this video. Thanks a lot.